Hi, so we're going to go to section 4. Okay, we're continuing on the sentence. We actually haven't gotten to the period yet, which is down here after dot. Okay, we're going to continue on having orgeterix as the subject of this sentence. Okay, the word that joins this section to the last sentence is going to be this que. Okay, so, and similarly, he persuades. Orgeterix persuades. Whom does he persuade? Dumnorix. Okay, dumnorigi, that's a dative. Okay. In apposition to dumnorigi is this adjective, this proper adjective iduo. Okay, the Aedui were another tribe, very probably the most important Celtic Gallic tribe in the area. What's interesting about that is sometimes we don't even really know whether it's pronounced with an H or not. So sometimes you see iduo without the H, sometimes you see it with the H. It's not crucial. Okay, so Dumnorix, an Aeduan, who is the brother of Duikiakos. Okay, we're not even sure how to spell this guy's name also, by the way. Sometimes it's Duitiacus, sometimes it's Duikiakos, we're not really sure, but anyway. Now, this qui probably refers back to Dumnorix, okay, or to Dumnorigi. So, who eo tempora, at that time, obtenebat, held fast to, principatum, not the, chief position. He was extremely influential, okay? He had, deals with taxation, but he was very popular, okay, because of the way he dealt with, his leadership position in taxing, okay? In civitate, in the community, okay? So let's just run that again. Who, at that time, was holding fast to a chief position in the community. And, now, yes, akeptus erat looks like it's from akepio, but it might be more helpful if we just take akeptus as an adjective, as kind of the complement, the predicate adjective. And was maxime akeptus, very pleasing, very welcome, okay, maybe even popular, to the plebs, okay, to the common people of that tribe, okay. Plebe is dative, okay. As is often the case with adjectives, words of friendliness or unfriendliness, closeness, those words, words of welcome, pleasing, those are often going to get a dative, okay. So again, and was maxime akeptus, most popular to, we might say with, the common people. Now, what does Orgeterix persuade him to do? He persuades Dumnorix, ut idem conaretur, that he try, okay, again, conaretur is from the deponent verb conor. Try what? Try the same thing, okay? So idem here is going to be neuter accusative singular, okay? Going to be your direct object of conaretur. Okay. Again, keep in mind that when you have a historical present, such as persuadet, okay, you can, because it's historical, you can get secondary sequence, and that explains why we have an imperfect conaretur. Okay, so again, Orgeterix persuades Dumnorix to do the same thing. Okay, they persuaded the last guy to do. Okay, to take over the chief position. Okay. And, now we still have Orgeterix as your subject, and to him, namely to Dumnorix, he gives, namely Orgeterix gives, his own daughter in matrimony, or for marriage. Okay? So AE, dative indirect object, referring back to Dumnorix. Okay? And the subject of dot continues as the subject, same subject as persuadet, namely Orgeterix. Okay, now I have some questions for you, and I'll see you in the next screencast.